Hey guys, so we're going up to London. It currently is 11:15 and we're going for basically we're going down to London to take some pictures and some video. That's why I'm bringing my GoPro and my Canon 700D, and this is me first time vlogging with it, and I'm using my GoPro selfie stick, so this should be interesting. And I'm going to meet the guys. Motherfucker. Hello. No, it's not GoPro.
Oh, it's not GoPro.
It's Canon.
Go get GoPro.
I've got GoPro.
Got it?
Yes.
This
is recording.
Hi guys.
Hi.
This is Gary and Kerry in the Miata Soul JDM. Look at this hairdresser Miata. Say hello, Gary. Look at that JDM. Look at that Civic. Woo. Woo. Dobre. Yeah, take him back.
Oh, why? Do you like my mic setup? It's shit.
No, it's sick.
I'm wrapped around the camera.
Very good skins. Fucking bouncy. It's fucking race car, mate. Fucking race car.
I started vlogging at home. I'm like,
we'll be at show in 10 seconds. Oh, hello! Say hello, Gary! Hey, say hello to me! Hello! Come on, man. Come on, man. It's not green. Come on. Yeah.
it's supercharged.
Yes, I win! Woo!
I swear you meant to stop at Domino's.
Oh yeah, shit. I was too busy racing. Sad.
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 I can imagine what it's like drinking a coffee in here.
You can't drink anything in this car. On the way to your house from work, I had a can of fucking Fanta. I went down my fucking high vis.
Watch this. I'm gonna tell him to scroll down his window. Gary! Roll down.
His window don't look.
Roll down.
Mine's cool. Race car. Fake drift car.
Steelies. Oh yeah, bruv. There's a Fiat above.
Haha, Bob, try race me, fuck you. My tank. Just taking selfies. Hey, shut up, mate. Fucking hell, man. What the fuck? Did you see that?
Yeah.
Fucking idiots, bro.
still. We follow our friend Gary.
Don't tell me they're coming for me. Not for me, please. Yeah, they're going that way.
It sounds like ambulance.
Hmm?
Sounds like ambulance.
His car's like completely silent compared to mine. Sorry. Nice one, do 3 for a time when ambulance is coming. Idiot. It's doing it. Pick it up the curb, man. Let's see, stand up. He's looking. He's laughing. I be looking at you, wavy. You know that a nigga wavy. Tucked down in a Mercedes. Anyway, as I did my burnout, police came around the roundabout. But I saw them on the corner of my eye. I'm like, I didn't see it. So obviously I'm focusing on the burnout, bro. I'm trying to keep my car straight. And then I let go of the handbrake. Car's still burning out. Then I caught grip, and as soon as I caught grip and launched off the roundabout, police came. It's only when I go fast. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you.
Peace.
It's great. It's great.